first I will download the file named the week 5 Excel training data.csv provided in the instructions. The CSV files are commonly used for data exchange because they are simple and can be opened by many applications. So now I already opened the CSV file in the Excel, and then I will go to this one, the Save As, and we should change the format, the file form as the .xlsx. In this way, I convert the CSV into Excel format, and it can enable us to use all the Excel filters such as the formula, charts, and the pivot tables. And I will explain how the Excel training data from this one to become this one. So before starting analysis, I will clean and format the data. First, I will adjust the column weights to make all the data visible. So just double click the line between column D and column E and etc. And next, I will freeze the top row and the first row by going to the View and the Freezing Panels and freezing top, and in this way we can by click the B2 unit cell, we can freeze the first row and the first column. Then I will apply the filters by selecting the headers now header row and clicking the home and sort and filter, and in this way it will have the triangle here, and it will help us to know something. Finally, I sort the data by the cell date, which is the date, and I will give it a logical order. I will give it ascending, and these steps improve the data visible and usability. And in this way, the next part, I will calculate a new variable called promotion vouchers based on specific conditions. To simplify, I will create intermediate columns to check each condition. For example, if I want to know the customer type is premium or not, I will use the formula which is equal to if and the D2, which is the customer type, and I will make it equal to premium, and 1 and 0, and it will show up. And in column G, I want to know the purchase amount is over 200 or not. So I will use the formula equal to if the total amount spent is over 200 is 1, if not it's 0, and we can see that. And in column H, I want to know if the customer joined before 2023, and we should use the formula which is equal to if, and if the year, which is E2, is smaller 2023, which is 1, and which is not is 0. And use the column F, G, and H, we can know the column I. In the column I will use the formula. It's too long, so I will not read it. And we can see that this is kind of classification, and we can know if if the customer type is premium and the purchase amount is over $200 and the customer joined before 2023, I will give them $30 voucher. But and if the purchase amount is over 200 and the customer joined before 2023, I will, but they are not premium, I will give them $20 per vouchers. And if they purchase amount is over $200, and I will give them $10 vouchers, and this will show up. And so in order to analysis on the total promotion voucher allocation, I will use a pivot table. So I will select the full data, go to insert and pivot table, and I will place it on a new sheet. So I should Control A to select all of them and to click the pivot data, and it will give us this. So I drag the customer type to the columns or rows is also okay. It's both okay, and the promotion vouchers in dollars, I will put them in the values fields, and I will set it to the sum. And this shows how much total voucher each customer type received. I also added promotional vouchers without adding fields to get the grand total. So it will show up like this. Okay, this is the whole thing of the week 5 Excel training data. Thank you for watching.